오버젤러스 브레인의 트루 버라이어티.
Good morning, YouTube. This is Chris. One of my projects outside my house that I haven't gotten to was the daily driver. The CRV is acting up a little bit. It's puttering. So I haven't been driving. I've just been enjoying the motorcycle, to be honest with you. But we got a tune-up kit for it. We're gonna replace all the parts that's in the tune-up kit, and hopefully it fixes the problem. We got some wires, spark plugs, air filter, fuel filter, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna put this in. I might just leave the old fuel filter in and change it out if I seriously tear down this engine in the next year or so. Carbon air filter, distributor, other parts of the distributor, eBay. Here we got the Pronoto. I don't know what this is.
Isn't that Pronto?
Oh, Pronto. Oh,
Isn't
yeah,
that Pronto? He said Pronoto. It's French. It's French. Pronoto.
Like the previous owner with a frame, pretty decent filter. I mean, our paper filter honestly looks the same. Same, but this is made in Mexico. This is made in China. This is made in China. These cars are made in Japan. China's closer to Japan. I think.
Well, a Pronoto in China.
Chinese Pronoto. Doesn't it say Pronto? Our next segment is going to be brought to you by Hooked on Phonics.
Is the other side clipping in?
Is there something wrong with the Pronoto?
You know, the Pronoto.
Is the Pronoto too big?
Nah, I think it's just that.
That's why it was on sale?
This piece. Is that piece going in for your side? This piece is almost gonna, yeah?
Yeah.
No, I'll show you. Did you put it in the wrong way?
I'm gonna try to focus here.
The Pronoto only works when the letters go that way towards the edge.
High performance, man.
You know what I'm saying? Like, you know.
It's a directional air filter.
Exactly.
A lot of your air filters are, don't matter what direction you put it in. This is a directional air filter. It really did work too.
See? Put it in that one.
Right. See, if I had it the way I put it in first, it would have been blowing out air instead of sucking up air.
You know, hey. That's what happens when you get the Pronoto. You gotta know. Hey, but listen, now you guys know.
Yeah,
Now you know.
If you get the Pronoto, just remember the letters got to go a certain direction.
Shit, it ain't gonna close. It's so stupid.
We gotta get a shirt that says Pronoto. So this is a B20 block. Engine, whole thing. Yeah. One day it will become a project. And put in the comments what you want done to it. Turbo, supercharged, VTEC head. I think I already have all my plans for the drivetrain though. 5-speed. Make it a true all-wheel drive system. Maybe some limited slip differentials. As far as power goes, what do I do? Do I supercharge it? Do I turbocharge it? Do I just put a VTEC head on it? Maybe higher compression pistons? Damn it, wires may have to come off. Try to order.
Get some tape so you can try to mark them. Get some tape and markers. You can be like top, bottom, or 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that. How many are there? 3? 4? Let's be like 1A, below, or top right, top bottom.
Just gotta know the order. 3. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is 4, 3, 2, and 1.
Alright. It's going down for a minute.
There's a bolt in there. Okay, so when we open up the distributor, this was inside the distributor, so we'll figure out why. Okay, this was off. We got a new one anyway, so this might be the reason why.
Getting the slippage. Okay, nice. Get that new hardware. Compared to the old, which you guys see. Old hardware. Let's put that new one in there, that new shiny. You know, even though I'm not working, I like to touch the stuff that he touches and get my hands dirty like I did something, you know what I'm saying?
So we gotta get that bolt in there.
Where does it go? Just in the middle or in the center?
It is on top. It was on the top right here. Probably had to take the distributor off. And it was still tight on there though. And then it, wobbled time. And fuck yourself up that way. This part is connected to the camshaft, that's why it doesn't move. Unless the camshaft moves.
Oh, okay, I got you.
So we're gonna take it off. Like this. Try to remember its position right now, where it's supposed to be. And move it like that to install the piece.
Hold it.
Wonder if I push it hot. Rubbing against this. Covers fucking junk anyways. So let's get it together. We're gonna run it without the cover. Because I'm not trying to spend money on a new distributor for daily driving. This is from T-Series. Only the best for my daily driver. Not everybody runs T-Series in their CRVs. Some people like to say, hey, that's garbage, but not me. I say,
Put that T-Series in pronto, baby.
exactly. We're having a little bit of trouble lining up that T-Series. Yeah, we're exactly the same.
Is it just the screw you're hitting, maybe?
No, it feels like
Is it this?
yeah, that feels really good. So it looks like it's just holding on this brace right here, and that's just making sure that wire's right there. So we're gonna take that off. So this is off of the vortex. Alright guys, when you go with the T-Series, you gotta do a couple of modifications to the distributor. But it should work.
That's why that was blocking. 'Cause it was even blocking the other one.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Yup. As you can see, there's oil all over this distributor. There's obviously leaks all over this motor. This motor needs to be completely redone, rebuilt, as does the Miata motor also. And we will get to that one day. Previous owner used NGK. They're supposed to be the best around. That's what I usually use on the Miata. Today, we're gonna go with Federal. Okay, let's see what these Federals are all about. 7mm high temp. What's the NGK? The NGK is... That doesn't say. Threaded or something.
Nice. Doesn't look really bad though, does it?
Double platinum, Bosch double platinum. It's old.
Yeah. What you got? Bosch double platinum too?
Bosch. They don't say platinum. Just
Bosch silver.
Yeah. Bosch eBay. Hopefully they're gapped. I didn't gap them. Hopefully they're pre-gapped. Usually the higher end spark plugs are gapped, so I think we'd be good because it's Bosch. Now we're just snugging them, and then I will hit them with the torque badge because you know, I'm not sure what spark plugs are supposed to be torqued at. I usually do it by hand, but we're gonna start torquing everything now since we have the proper tools.
That one looks like that well.
Nothing bad. It's just old.
Yeah.
The Bosch spark plugs are in. Now, you just have to put the wires on. Start her up. Pray for the best. So we gotta put the cabin filter in. And we also have the fuel filter, but I don't really feel like taking apart the fuel filter right now. We're gonna get fuel everywhere. I don't feel like that's what we're gonna do. So one is the long one. It was 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I'm hoping this solves my problems because that thing on the distributor was off. So
True.
3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Now it's slightly modified. Pieces on. They should work. They don't look like bad. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. These on here. This one. This is the 3. This one here.
Some just cabin filter. Try it out.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're in the cabin. DMZ like behind all that shit.
It's right here. So yeah, take this straight off. There are literally 4 8mm bolts. 1, 2, 2 10mm bolts. And I think 3 screws so far holding this thing on. It's literally like, how the hell do I get to these? Ratchet work. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the location of the cabin air filter. First gen CRV. If you didn't know, now you know. Oh my God.
Jesus, yeah. Good thing you changed that shit. The cabin air filter does need to be changed. Like, people say they don't change it, and it looks like that.
This is also from, what's it called? Toronto?
Toronto.
Toronto.
We're gonna use this, try to get some of that out. Whatever's in there.
Nah, it's in there. filter compared to the one that came out of it, but the kit also came with an oil filter to give it an oil change, but I did that the other week because I was trying to top off the oil and somebody put antifreeze in an oil jug, and I put a bunch of antifreeze in the engine and I had to drain it. So I did that the other week, so we'll save that oil filter for next time. Here we go, moment of truth.
Brainiac and the Rocket Fools rocket like rocket fuel boys. Have a great positive Sunday, my dudes. Brainiac and the Rocket Fools rocket like rocket fuel boys. Have a great positive Sunday, my dudes.
That start, yeah. It's just first time kicking on, you know.
Put it all away, and then they'll give it to. The CRV is back to life. Yeah, dude. I think we're good. So yeah, that must have been what the problem was. Diagnosis was distributor rotating thingy bolt undone. So if your distributor bolt rotating thingy bolt is undone, then look up Portamo parts, or what was it called?
Who did you even get the M? Portamo. Like,
I forgot what it was called.
You did look up Portamo. Yeah. Alright guys, let me end this one.